overall application process and the timeline for Nova Scotia's business nominee program, the Entrepreneur Stream. Step 1 is where you submit an expression of interest. You will fill in an online profile indicating your business idea, investment amounts, experience, language, net worth. If your profile is competitive, you will receive an invitation to apply for the Entrepreneur Stream. Once invited, you submit a full application along with your business establishment plan, verifiable net worth, and any required documents. After approval, you'll sign a business performance agreement with the province. You will get a provincial nomination support letter, and using that, you will apply for a work permit to IRCC. If your work permit is approved, you will relocate to Nova Scotia. And as soon as you enter Nova Scotia, I would recommend you should start operating your business. After you meet the business performance terms, active participation, investment, job creation, then you will put in a request for that province to give you a nomination. If your nomination application gets approved, you apply to IRCC for permanent resident. So important tips for Nova Scotia's Entrepreneur Stream. You need to ensure your net worth proof is solid, it's legal, and it's well documented. Assets must be verified by a designated third-party professional in Nova Scotia. Choose your business location and industry wisely. Consider outside the Halifax metro area if you want lower investment thresholds. Prepare a strong business establishment plan. Market research, financial projections, hiring plan timeline, these will be scrutinized. Be prepared to live in Nova Scotia and actively manage the business. Remote management will not satisfy the requirement. Business must be managed from within Nova Scotia. Language test. Do not underestimate the CLB requirement. Even if you are comfortable in English, you'll need the official test results. Plan for settlement. Understand the lifestyle, cost of living, community integration in Nova Scotia. You need to be very careful about too good to be true promises. Provincial guide clearly states there are no guarantees. So if you are interested in establishing yourself as a permanent resident of Canada through Nova Scotia's Entrepreneur Stream, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant based in Toronto, Canada. You can book an appointment at the given link here. We'll have a detailed consultation about your professional business profile, in which we'll do a complete assessment to see where you stand, and of course we will let you know how you can move forward.